Welcome back to my channel. I have my order from L Beads that just came in, and so I am doing my unboxing video. It's a quite large package, but everything is packaged so nicely and so protected. So first thing that I received, I picked up some of these glue bottles just so that I could put my glue in them and be able to close the container better. So I love these, and you get 10 in the package. So I picked up these glue bottles. Again, if you are not already a subscriber, be sure and hit that subscribe button, and so that you get notifications of when I upload new content. So those are the glue bottles. And then the next thing I picked up were these cabochons. These are little hats with the bows, multiple colors. Let's see, you get a green and a hot pink, and then you get a light pink. I think I have all the colors. So super cute, and I believe you get 50 in this package, 50 pieces. I will link everything below in the description in case you are interested. The next thing I got were these 10 piece of kind of gingham bows. You get this turquoise, the black, the pink, kind of a blush pink, and then a purple, and you also get a green and a hot pink, and then also a brown. So I picked up those. They'll be good to pop on a project. The next thing I got were these little bows. And they're kind of like a shaker bow. They have hearts inside. You get a hot pink, a turquoise, a yellow, or a purple, and then you get ones that are multicolored, and one that has stars in it. Get some of those. So you get 5 pieces in the set, and again I will link them down below. Next I got these charms, and these are scissors. I thought they'd be super cute. You get 20 pieces. These will be super cute to go on projects since we are crafters. So I got 20 pieces of these little scissors. And these are all by L Beads. And I will link their website down below. Next, these are a little bigger than I thought, but they'll be okay on projects. Even on a bag topper. These little resin bows. And you get You get 5 pieces. You get the red and the green and then a cream colored, and a peach. I can't tell if this is more like a blue rather than the green. So you get 5 pieces of those. And then I picked up these bags. I thought these bags would be cute for different, to put some swaps in. You get the striped. You get some that say thank you, please come again. You get some that are like newspaper print. You get animal print, and then more newspaper print. So I got those for some swaps. And you get 50 pieces in here of the bags. Then I picked up this 3-piece plier set to help with some of my beading and the jewelry making. You get some little pointy pliers. These are good for cutting, and then these you can also cut with as well. So you get a plier set, flat nose pliers, chain nose pliers, the wire cutters, and the round nose pliers. So I picked up that 3-piece set. And then let's see if I can get this open. Those are large. These are 2 pieces, and they are an artist palette. Just thought I could use these for different colors and different mediums when I am doing some of my projects. So I picked up, I thought I was picking up 1, but I actually picked up 2. I don't know, maybe I'll give 1 away in a giveaway. And then I got these, it's a quilling set, but I don't do quilling. So I will probably use it for different paper crafting. It comes with paper in an envelope in there, and you get 5 sets, I believe. So I picked those up, and I will, let's see how they are. I think I can use them to make, yeah, you get an envelope, and then your card and your quilling paper inside. So super cute. I'll be able to make cards and different things with these. So that is my haul from Elle Beads. I will link everything in the description below. This was a wonderful order. I'm so glad to be working with them, and I have so many ideas for these new products. So stay tuned, because I'll be coming back with another video to show you how I use some of these things.